up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. I am not a makeup artist. I don't do it professionally. I do it for fun. I've been wearing makeup since probably like 12, since like 2000s. I've already done my eyebrows, although I did just kind of rub some of them off. I just use basic ass eyeshadow, and it doesn't really stay on very well, but that's why I have my setting spray. So today I'm doing a St. Patrick's Day tutorial. So today, hopefully I'll post this on St. Patrick's Day. If it's St. Patrick's Day, then happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. We're gonna go from Valentine's Day to gold. So I did my eyebrows, I moisturized my face. This is my face right now. So I've wet my beauty blender. I have 3 of them here. Ooh, they're super wet. I gotta like squeeze them out. Okay, so first what I do, so I just do my eyebrows. So what I do, because I'm a cheap bitch, as you guys already know, if you watch my videos already, you know I love the Dollar Tree, and you know I love anything cheap, and anything that's cheap that works well is my favorite. So what I do is I use Milani Cosmetic Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer. I use this in 00A porcelain, and I use this just for concealer, and it lasts forever. It comes in this. It is 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters. I don't fucking know how to read. This stuff works like I love it. And then what I also do to put on my face is I use the same Milani Conceal and Perfect, but in the shade Warm Beige 05. And I put that all over my face. You guys can tell they are different colors. This one's lighter than this one. So right now what I do is I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand right here. Just 1 squirt, because a little of this goes a long way. I don't know if you guys use Milani, but they are a great product. I am obsessed with them. So I am going to shape my brows real quick and also conceal my, I can't talk while doing this. I'm going to conceal my eyelids and shape my brows. I know this looks really, I put a little bit too much on. Oh my, oh no, this looks really bad. Oh no. So it's St. Patrick's Day. I don't really like drinking that much. I guess we'll just talk about alcohol, since that's not what St. Patrick's Day is about. If you want to know what St. Patrick's Day is about, you will not find that information from this channel, because I'm not a teacher and I'm not smart. Well, I'm smart, just not in leprechauns. Or is that racist? I don't know, I'm sorry. But I really like St. Patrick's Day. Is just like around the time where it's starting to become spring. The weather is becoming really nice out, and I can start wearing my shorts, and I just know spring is around the corner, and spring is my favorite season next to summer. So it's exciting. And I don't necessarily like drunk people, especially when I'm not drunk. I like drunk people when I am drunk, because some drunk people are really nice. Some of them are like kids. They're just too truthful, and they need to shut the fuck up because they're mean. Their truthfulness is not necessary. And I'm gonna cover up this little pimple right here because it is bothering me, and I'm pretty sure it's bothering you guys. I honestly don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know what to talk about while doing this. Okay, so I concealed my eyebrows. Wait, hold on. Let me go to the middle. Bridge right here. I gotta fix these brows in a second. They are fucked up in the front. They're a little bit too dark. Now that I did that, so now I gotta set my eyes. Setting powder I use, oh, this is gonna confuse the fuck out of you guys. So I used to use this Morphe Bacon Set setting powder translucent, but I ran out of it. I went to go find this and they ran out, so instead I got Luxury Baking Powder in Lace by Revolution, which is really good. I like it. And I put a little bit in this container so it's easy. Let me show you. Oh god, that just got on my nose. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that setting powder and just set my eyes. I know it looks messy. Trust the process. The key sentence of this video is trust the fucking process. Oh god, I'm never this messy. Oh, I blew that off. That was pretty cool. Now we're gonna use this Morphe palette, the Boss Mood 35M palette, Morphe palette, and it has these dark shades in it. And we are gonna be using all of these up to here. Sorry, I'm flipping you off. This one, this one, this one, and this one we are going to be using. And we are also going to be using the Jeffree Star Pricked Palette. We are going to be using Glimmer of Hope, which is right here. And we might use a little bit of Deadly Intentions, which is right here. I also might use Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. It's super old. I might use, probably go with Golden Dawn right here for my highlight. Let's get into it. I don't have size brushes. I'm not a professional. I literally, this is a Wet n Wild brush. This is the brush that I'm using right now. Wait, where's my tape? First, we're gonna need some Scotch tape. We're gonna tape my eyes. I'll be right back. I'm gonna tape up my eyes real quick. I taped my eyes like that. So now that I taped my eyes, this is gonna look really, really messy before it looks good. So you gotta, like I keep on saying, trust the fucking process, because this is just how I do my makeup. I'm gonna go in with this brush right here. I don't know what it is, but it's a fluffy thing brush, and we're gonna use it. And then I'm gonna go in with the lightest shade green, which is this top one right here, the third one, and I'm gonna put that all over my eyelid. If there's fallout, we will clean it up later. I'm gonna cover the whole eyelid in green. It's like a lime green, like a kiwi. Ooh, kiwi sounds so good right now. Gonna look crazy. I promise it's gonna look crazy, but I also promise it's gonna look good. I do it lightly, not too hard. I don't want it to be blotchy. So I'm gonna be going out to the bar for St. Patty's Day. Everything is just green. Green. We're gonna go in with the fourth one right next to the third one that we just did. I'm gonna go with this one with this tiny little brush, and I'm just going to pat into the corner of my eyes and on the lid. Super quiet in this house. And I don't usually do these at the same time. I usually... Okay, I'm sorry. My camera, my card was full. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do one eye, and then I'm gonna come back with other eye done. Because right now this is both eyes midway done. I'm gonna focus on this eye, focusing on the right eye. Now we went with that fourth shade, but I gotta still put that in there. And then we wanna go in with this darker shade right here. It's like an olive color. I don't know the colors of this. And just pat that right in the corner. Okay, and then go with the other darker one, which is right here. Tap it off, press. Now, I'm gonna go in with this Pricked Palette by Jeffree Star, the Deadly Intentions, with the same brush. Make sure you knock it off, because it will very pigmented, and just lightly press that in the corner of your eye on top of the tape. Bring it towards other side of your eye, and just keep on building that until it's however dark you want it to be. If you want a dark smoky eye, or I have hooded eyes, so if you have hooded eyes, make sure your eye is closed a little bit so you don't have a little crease right here. Okay, now I want to go in with a flat brush. Don't know what the fuck these are called, but this is the brush right here. And I am going to spray it with some NYX Bear With Me Prime Set and Refresh. I'm going to go into Glimmer of Hope and go into the corner of my eye. Build up that gold, put it onto the lid as well. If the brush doesn't work, you might need to use your finger. Just use your ring finger if the brush doesn't work. Corner in the middle of your eye and pat it, because it goes on better if I pat it. Okay, we're gonna go in with the Anastasia Glow Kit. I'm gonna go into Golden Dawn, this one right here. Also on the crease to kind of highlight that. And then we're gonna go back into this Morphe palette, and they actually have some yellows and greens right here. I'm gonna go with this yellow, which is the second shade. It's kind of a highlighted yellow. That one shows up a little bit more. And then you want to go in with this bottom one below the yellow, the green, and just kind of put it on the rest of your eyelid so it kind of blends in with the black shadow that you put on before. And if you need to blend that black shadow back in, there we go. So this is what this looks like. I gotta fix up the eyebrow and everything, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that and do this side, and then we will continue. And we're not done with the eyes yet. We gotta still do the bottom part. Okay, I'm back. I did the other eye. I know it looks so messy. I did kind of like a smoky wing. I just kind of put black shadow right here and right here, and you'll see once I pull it off, there will be the wing. I'm going with this little smudge tool. It looks like this. It's smudge tool. I don't know. I'm gonna go with the darkest, this dark one right here. And I'm gonna go put it under my eye. Don't worry, it looks crazy right now. I just trust the process. I look crazy. I look like a 4-year-old did my makeup. Okay, we're gonna take the tape off. Ready? Okay, just wait. Gotta clean it up too. Okay, take a little makeup wipe and just wipe all the makeup away. I put on some mascara. Ew, LA colors. I hate LA colors so much. But, you know, I don't really have many eyelashes, so I don't really need mascara as much. I'm gonna do my eyelashes. I don't have many eyelashes. Okay, now my favorite part, brighten the eyes. I need to get more of this, but it's the Jeffree Star Drug Lord liquid lip. Yeah, there's not a lot in here. The guy here. I just put that on the waterline. Oh, by the way, I'm using some weird angled brush. And since there's white, I'm gonna turn the white into gold. We'll put some gold. Let's try the other one. There we go. This one's better. Do the yellow and the Morphe palette that we used earlier. There we go. There's the eyes. Now I'm gonna wipe my face one more time just for the excess fallout that was everywhere. And now we do the face. I'm just gonna prime my face. This is just some like hyaluronic acid, I don't know how to say the word. Hyaluronic, whatever, acid serum stuff, and it actually works really well. And yes, I got it from the Dollar Tree as well. I probably shouldn't use products from the Dollar Tree on my face, but you know, fuck it. Oh, we forgot the lashes. Let's put the lashes on. I got this cute little lash box from the Dollar Tree, and it has a little mirror in it and a bunch of little things you can put your lashes in. And these are by Kiss in Oval. I don't know, I got them from Family Dollar. I usually order my lashes online, but I didn't have time to wait for them to come in. So I put one strip on there, let that kind of get tacky, and then do another strip on here. On this one, okay, take this one, put this lash on. Where's my fucking, found it. I need to calm down. Okay, plop that lash on. Okay, got that one on. This eyelash, it's hard to do this with nails. Lord, not on that well. I can't really get this corner piece on. Okay, got the lashes on, and now my face is nice and tacky to put on some Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer in Warm Beige 05. Just gonna put a little couple squirts there and just go all over my face. Oh wait, first, before we do that, I did get some of this. I think it's by Hard Candy. I don't know, I don't really ever need this, this green corrects redness. But since I have that pimple on my head, I wanted to try it out. Since we're gonna stick to the green theme, let's try this out. Okay, see what other redness I have. Redness right there. Now let's try this. Okay, it just made my face green. Maybe I should have let it just sit there and dry first. My face has like a green tint to it now. Maybe that just sticks with the theme of St. Patrick's Day. I am not filming this on St. Patrick's Day, but you guys are watching this hopefully on St. Patrick's Day. Hopefully I can post this by St. Patrick's Day. This is where I get my headband all messy. Gotta bring it down my neck. Get the neck. What blends in. And the ears. Now I go and I use this 16-hour camo concealer. It is in Rich Ebony. It's very dark, so I try not using a lot because I don't want to go and get controversial. We're just gonna put a little bit there, a little bit there, there, on my nose, right here. Now we blend. And I think I used a little bit too much, but it's fine. We are gonna blend it out. Look how dark that is. Just wait, just wait. This is a lot. I know. You're like, oh my god. Gosh, what are you doing? What are you doing, Storm? You're ruining your masterpiece. Just wait. We'll take the concealer and we'll blend this out a little bit because since it's so dark, I don't want it to be too intense. Always move it up. Now I take this porcelain Conceal and Perfect. Put it on all these spots. spot. And then we want a little bit on the head. My forehead is not this tiny. I totally am covering it up right now. I'm gonna blend that out. And then we need to do the nose. And we're all good. Now I don't bake. I just press powder into my face. I don't like baking. It's too much for me. It makes my creases come out. So just gently patting. And this is the Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the tone Lace. Kind of just like put the powder all over my face because I like to set it that way my makeup doesn't budge. I'm gonna add some bottom mascara because this is looking really bad. Now we're gonna go in with some highlight, and I am gonna be using this Anastasia Glow Kit in Golden Dawn. Let me spritz my face first. This NYX, I need to get more. Put that on my cheek, put it on my nose, on my Cupid's bow. Now that I'm done with that, let me just do my lip and then I will be ready. I am gonna go in with this Christmas Cookie Liquid Lip by Jeffree Star. Okay, and then I'm gonna go over it with my Milani Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper in 01 Champagne. Now, I love Milani Cosmetics. The day they sponsor me is the day I die happy. I love this color, my favorite lip color. It's not too much, it's just perfect. Perfect. Okay, that's my face. Spritz it. The fan. Ta-da! There's my face. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Okay. Happy St. Patrick's Day, you guys. Please be safe and drink responsibly. Don't drink and drive. There's Ubers out there. But yeah, be safe. Get drunk responsibly and have fun. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and all my social medias. I will put the links down below in the description. Leave a comment. Let me know how your St. Patrick's Day is going. Okay. Bye, guys.